Hey guys, welcome back. Another day, another video. I hope you all love this series. There are only two stories left in this series, and I have two very powerful stories left with. And the message that is there for today's video is have a vision. So let's see what the life story of this particular individual is like. This is no rags to riches story. This person was born in a very affluent family. He came from a well to do family. He worked with blue collared workers, shoveling stone and working with furnaces. Now, the reason why he worked with blue collared workers was he wanted to understand business from the ground. He wanted to understand why did the blue collared workers work a particular way, what mindset did they have, and what made them work a particular way. He was appointed director in charge at Nelco. Now, Nelco was a company that was not doing well, and this person was appointed as the director, and many were against it. But guess what? He turned it around. And looking at the result at Nelco, he was then appointed the chairman of a group of industries, and he transformed it with his vision and management. He put this group of industries in the global map. And this person is none other than our humble man, Mr. Ratan Tata. He says, none can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but its own mindset can. This is Ratan Tata for you. Let's see what impact this person has had. He transformed the Tata Group of industries. He was responsible for its listing in foreign countries, giving it more international power and recognition. He's the one who put Tata onto the global map. He's the one who put the Indian business onto the global map. He was responsible for the success of Indica. And he's responsible for the acquisition of major brands. Now let me tell you a short story about this man. Now he owned Tata Motors, and Tata Motors at one point wasn't doing well. So he went to a lot of countries to find a buyer for Tata Motors. And that is when he met Mr. Bill Ford. And these were the exact words that Bill told Ratan. Bill said that why did you venture into an industry when you didn't have any knowledge about it? How could you take such a risk? That was the time when Ratan heard it all out, and he decided that he will not be selling Tata Motors to this particular man. So he came back to India and he transformed Tata Motors. And in today's time, Ford, Jaguar and Land Rover wasn't doing well. And guess what? When Bill Ford's companies, Jaguar and Land Rover didn't work well, he was looking for a buyer. And guess who the buyer was? He was Mr. Ratan Tata, and Bill said that you are a savior for all of us. And this is how this man has worked his way up. And he did not brag about it. He just went about his own business. Let's see what are the lessons that we can learn from this man. Get out of the safe mode. Take risks. Learn to take risks. If things go the same way that they are meant to be, how at all will you be successful in life? How at all will you grow in your life? Be a doer, not a criticizer. Always have positive attitude. Action is what brings results, and therefore it's all about turning up each day. Do not blame yourselves for your defeat. Just learn and move forward. Now, you're not a normal person if you have not suffered any defeat ever in your life. If you have suffered defeat, then you are a normal person, and that is how you stop, you learn, and then you go back ahead. I hope you loved this video. If you loved it, please ensure hit the like and subscribe button. This is Nimish here. This is my voice. I'm a son of two lovely parents, brother of a beautiful independent woman. I'm an engineer turned MBA turned senior HR professional turned author and life coach. And my mission in life is to help people realize and achieve their true potential and be their best selves. Until next week, next video, the last one, please take care of yourselves and enjoy life. Thank you.